We'll guide you through how to log out WhatsApp from an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp on my iPhone. So for whatever reason you want to go and log out, perhaps you no longer use the account, so you don't want it on here anymore, or perhaps you want to go and start using another. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything, as there's some important things you need to know. So any further ado, let's go and get into this. So as you can see at the moment, I'm just on the chat screen here. What you want to do is go and head down to the bottom right, and there we can go and press on the button there, U. This will then go and bring us here. And what you need to do is you need to then go and scroll down the settings or different options here. You need to go and find the option for account and go and tap there. Now in here, you can see I've got the option for log out. So if this is a linked device, you're going to have the option for log out. If this is a device where you went and just set up WhatsApp on it with the phone number, you didn't go and link it with another, you won't go and see the logout option. So in this case, I can go and press logout, confirm my decision with pressing logout and go and wait. And now we're back on the screen here and we've gone and logged it out. So alternatively, if you went and set up the account on this device with the phone number and you didn't go and link it, to go and log out and start using another, what you need to do is actually come out of WhatsApp. You need to then go and find it and you'll need to go and delete it. So tap and hold your finger on it. You can go and press remove app and you can delete it. You may want to consider doing a backup of all your WhatsApp data before doing this, and then you can go and delete it. And then when you go and reinstall it and download it again from the App Store, you'll be back on the Welcome to WhatsApp page and you can then go and set it up. That's the only way of removing the account and essentially logging it out if you went and set it up. If you found this useful, then leave a like.